Welcome to day 6. Just woke up and this is how my skin looks like. I'm glad that this one becomes a white head. That's a good thing. That means by tomorrow it's gonna be completely gone. So yeah, let's start the day real quick. We are in the court with my friend and yeah, it was a fucking tiring shit. I'm showing you guys the court and yeah, it's pretty big. I mean, it's a court, man. You know what I'm saying? Here's the ring. That's my boy right there, man. Okay, so I'm in the court with my friend. So long since I've touched this basketball, so oh shit, look at that. Basketball is garbage, man.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Meet my best friend, man. Say hello to the cam, man. Let's go. Dude, don't be shy. Let's go. That's my best friend, man. Oh shit, I stepped on the drill. Shit. Yeah. It's pretty tiring, but look, it's getting black. But who cares? I'm still fine. I'm still fine, bro. Well, just be confident, I guess. And yeah, day 3 is done. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace. Today is done. See you guys tomorrow.
you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.